5 Common mistakes to avoid when implementing Apache Kafka. Apache Kafka is a powerful distributed streaming platform that is designed to handle high volumes of real-time data efficiently. Poor configuration. Proper configuration of Kafka brokers is essential for optimal performance and scalability. It is important to carefully tune parameters such as memory, disk, and network settings to ensure that the Kafka cluster can handle the expected workload. Lack of monitoring. Another common mistake is failing to implement proper monitoring tools for the Kafka cluster. Monitoring can help identify performance issues, bottlenecks, and potential failures before they impact the overall system. Overlooking data replication. Data replication is critical for ensuring data durability and fault tolerance in Kafka. Organizations often make the mistake of overlooking data replication, which can lead to data loss in the event of a broker failure. Inadequate scalability planning. Scalability is a key consideration when implementing Apache Kafka, especially for organizations dealing with large volumes of data. Failing to plan for scalability can result in performance issues and system failures as the workload grows. Ignoring security best practices. Organizations should follow security best practices such as encrypting data in transit and at rest, implementing access control mechanisms, and regularly patching and updating the Kafka cluster to protect against security threats. Conclusion. In conclusion, avoiding common mistakes when implementing Apache Kafka is essential for ensuring a reliable and successful deployment.